Happy Friday, everyone. We survived another wonderful week at Windsor. This week we had school pictures and we had our class t-shirt order forms went home. We also are still doing our fundraiser that is due next week. Class t-shirts will be picked up, the order forms will be picked up on Wednesday. So if you have not yet turned that in, you could bring it up to school any day, even if your child isn't here. Just a little recap what we worked on. In math, we talked a lot about place value. It's important that the kids know the hundreds, tens, and ones. We also worked on spelling our words. So for example, if it was 56, the kids had to know 50-6 and how to spell that out. We also did counting on. So on a place hundredth chart, we identified a number and then 7 more or 10 more where you had to hop down, or 10 fewer you had to hop up. These are some of the charts that I use in here. You may be able to pull, you'll be able to pull up on Google if you need some more help, visuals. Another thing that we worked on, we did work on our spelling, lesson 2, and we worked on segment and write. So this is our spelling for next week. In reading, we worked on Henry Mudge and the Starry Night. We worked on story elements, so character setting and problem and solution. We also worked on, today actually will be the second group will work on how to build a shelter and keep your family dry. So they have their little family here. It's super cute. And I make them color with markers so that if they get wet, I really notice. And they have $10 to use supplies to build their house. So the second group will be able to do that today. And we extended the story, Henry Mudge and the Starry Night, into our writing, where I had the kids write about a time that they went camping, and they were just really great. Loved it. For the few children who have not been able to go camping or to a river or to a lake, we wrote about what you would like to do if you went there. So, on a boat or fishing, stuff like that. Other than that, we are just getting used to each other, getting used to the small classroom, definitely social distancing, definitely wearing masks.